Are you looking to broaden your embroidery horizons by exploring new projects or kickstart your business with the ultimate multi-needle machine? Meet the Tajima Sai, compact, innovative, and perfect for hobbyists and small businesses alike. Let's dive in and explore what makes this machine a game changer for your creative projects. One of the things I love about this machine is its compact size and versatility. This machine was built for mobile embroidery. With its small footprint and its low weight, you can take this machine just about anywhere. The ease of use with loading designs on this machine is incredibly easy. You can rotate the designs, you can set them up however you want, and you can also adjust the start and stop positions of a design based on whether you are going in through the body, the neck, or on a finished cap. For mobile applications, loading designs is made easy using the USB port on the machine. But you're not limited there. You can easily connect your Tajima Writer Plus software from your laptop to your machine using a LAN connection. With an impressive 11.8 by 7.8 inch sewing field, it gives you the versatility of doing jacket back to left chest designs. This compact single head machine has 8 needles, it runs at 800 stitches per minute, and it has an incredibly slim tubular arm, so you can get into just about anywhere when you want to embroider your designs. Built-in crosshair lasers give you precision for making sure your designs are correctly aligned, both horizontally and vertically, and makes cap embroidery easy. And with the LED lighting sewing field, you'll never miss a stitch. Out of the box, this machine sews perfectly with the easy-to-gauge thread tensions. The Sai also features smooth and quick auto thread trimming. With thread break sensors and anti-dust protection, you'll never miss a stitch. Every Tajima Sai embroidery machine comes with a toolkit for oil and maintenance and easy setup. Also included with every Sai is the Tajima Writer Plus design software for Windows, with built-in design templates, auto digitizer, and easy LAN machine connection available. Your Sai also comes with 2 300 by 200 millimeter hoops, which are great for jacket backs, as well as 2 100 by 100 millimeter hoops, which will meet all your left chest design needs. With the Tajima Sai Business Starter Kit, you have the ability to embroider on finished caps. With an easy-to-install cap attachment for the machine, 2 of Tajima's renowned cap frames, and your cap jig for easy hooping. Optional hoops and attachments are also available for the Tajima Sai, ranging from pocket frames, sock frames, shoe frames, magnetic frames, as well as the round frames that Tajima are famous for. And if that's not enough, Mighty Hoops has a huge selection of hoops and accessories specifically for the Tajima Sai. I'm sure you can now see why the Tajima Sai is our top multi-needle pick for embroidery hobbyists and small business owners. If you're ready to transform your creative visions into reality with the best embroidery results possible, fill out the form on our website now to learn more. We'll introduce you to one of our amazing Tajima distributors and gift you some amazing exclusive bonuses should you decide to purchase a Tajima machine.